So the question is, in the circuit shown in the figure, the input voltage Vi equals to 20 volt, voltage VB equals to 0 volt, and voltage VC equals to 0 volt. We have to find the values of IB, IC and beta in the given figure. So first of all, in this question we will be solving IC, that would be equals to V upon RC. V is 20 minus 0 volt divided by 4 into 10 raised power 3, since 4 is in kilo ohm and we have to convert it in ohm. So IC would be 5 milliampere. IC would come out as 5 milliampere. Now for IB, we will be solving an equation that is equals to Vi equals to VBE plus IB RB. So in the question it is already given as VB equals to 0 volt. Now the equation come out as Vi equals to IB RB. We already know the RB is 500 kilo ohm. So IB would come out as 20, that is Vi. It is also given in the question. 20 divided by 500 into 10 raised power 3. So IB would come out as 40 microampere. IB would come out as 40 microampere. Now for the beta, we know that beta equals to IC upon IB. We have solved IC, that is 5 into 10 raised power minus 3 divided by 40 into 10 raised power minus 6. So after solving this, it would come out as 125 into 10 raised power 3. That would be equals to 125. So beta is 125. So our option number 1 is the correct option. Thank you.